Alcohol, droga, dinero, mujeres, nalgas, glon, glon.
What's up? This is our first day in Medellin, Colombia. It's like one of the most popular digital nomad cities out there, right next to Chiang Mai in Thailand. I've been wanting to come here for a while now. So today I think what we're gonna do is trying to find the walking tour in the Comuna 13. This is like the neighborhood where, you know, all the thing with Pablo Escobar was happening. So yeah, it's gonna be a bit of a challenge because it looks like it's far away from where we're staying. You know, we need to take the public transit, you know, it's a lot to figure out. And it's already like noon, the tour's at 2, so hopefully we'll make it in time. If not, we'll do something else. But hey, our Airbnb is awesome. Look at this. That's the pool that I still haven't used, but maybe tonight, maybe this evening. And that's the view. There's these little stairs right next to our apartment that apparently cut through the mountain, so you don't have to, you know, go all around through the road. Let's see where they lead us.
Bestia van tirando dados, los cogen por diversión. Alcohol, droga, dinero, mujeres, nalgas, glon, glon.
Started the tour taking the bus to the Comuna.
Si están ready para el party negro, préndete un blon. Si lo piensan 3 veces sin vivirla. Rueden por medallo que los demás flipan, agárrate bien fuerte, que el momento te cita. Agárrate bien fuerte, ríe y llora la vida, repiten la escena.
Stop for ice cream. It's probably the nicest ice cream I've had in Colombia so far. Like big chunks of fruit. Now we're gonna take the escalator. This is so funny, like it's just escalators in the city, not like at a mall or anything. I think it's the only place in the world that has that. I've never seen that.
Eviten problemas, cuántas madres más sufriendo, su hijo ya está en guerra. Luego piden
really cool.
tregua, demasiado tarde, stop the pain. Ya están calientes en las calles de Medellin.
The views from here are amazing too. And it's funny, I see guys walking around and everybody has like a Comuna 13 t-shirt. And you see t-shirts being sold everywhere. So you know, I think because of the history with like Pablo Escobar and like the transformation of the neighborhood, like it's become such a big touristic place. There's just tours everywhere too. And now people are just like selling t-shirts, having little coffee shops. Like what a change from like a super dangerous neighborhood.
El flow black grades #1 in the game. Dice de Salón de la Fama salen en primera plana los más grandes artistas. Ruédate por mi zona, checar mi melaza, rompiendo récord en tu lista. La red ya no es una palabra en el gueto, colega, un estilo de vida. Produciendo, cantando, vendiendo, rompiendo toda clase de paradigmas. 496 maniga palumí, 724 suena mi sitio. Este es el este de sur hacia el norte, todos me brindan loyalty. M13 ni remember me, no es este sueño imposible para mí. Divisa medallo con todos los brothers, cogiendo los clones y el Monkey Tree. Música para sus cabezas. Medellín fue contagiado por Jamaica, diagnosticado entre los bailes y los temas.
So much street art all around here. And then magnificent view. I feel like I've said that like 5 times in this vlog already. It feels very touristy, honestly, but like in a really hip-hop type way. But I'm glad we came to visit, and we learned a lot about the history of this place too.
Por Jamaica, diagnosticado entre los bailes y los temas. Detrás del escenario estoy cuando celebran, gritan pues salsa. City glon glon glon.